Which debt do you pay first? Most people just pay whatever feels most urgent that month. 2 methods, 2 different goals. Smallest first. Pay the smallest balance first, whatever the rate, then roll the payment into the next. Quick wins, real momentum. Highest rate first. Attack the highest interest rate first, whatever the balance. Mathematically, this saves you the most money overall. One is about math, the other is about momentum. Here's what the debate usually gets wrong. It's not really a math problem, it's a psychology problem. Gave up after a few months, no debt fully gone yet. Zero debt, stuck with it all the way down. The best method is the one you'll actually stick with. How to actually choose. List every debt. Pick your method. Minimums, then one. Subscribe for money truths.